Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sir.
Tí lò.
Mong má nó.
Okay, got 3 rooms. Okay, so this customer, 3 rooms, different customer.
Yeah. Now we want to
Customer
combine.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. Different booking. Okay, then 2 rooms is the same room type, another one is a different room type. So how to do it? This room you check in and you search for rooms. So this one's check-ins and same, collect the payment and so on.
This one, I ask, we want to do, we want you to put default. Can or can?
What default?
You can put any default, any.
No, cannot be default. Nationality cannot be default.
We can change later, brother. We know
We
what
change
you,
later,
we know what you mean.
Yeah,
But sometimes
we not allowed. We are not allowed for doing default. So if Cambodia just type Cambodia, then here have out already.
because sometimes we want to check in first. We want to
Your
check in
company already very strict on this one. Nationality must choose. Okay, that's why we unable to put the default like this. Then this one is already the star sign on there. Okay, the star sign on there. Need your compulsory choose. Okay, not everyone put the Cambodian. Then after that, so go to change. No. Okay. So that's why you need to have a control. It's not putting everything's rubbish in here. So final result you get a rubbish.
Sorry. In the chat group, do you remember I asked you check the problem?
Okay.
And today, the teacher will come back. If you didn't have the problem,
Another customer.
with ID.
Go to search.
Yeah. So maybe different rooms also. Okay. Same also. It's a different customer. So different customers and so this is his meaning
Yeah.
different customers, different bookings.
Yes, sir.
Then come until hotels. Okay. Then only one particular person.
Yeah.
Okay. You all check in already. Okay. You all check in already.
So this is combined to a party.
Yeah. So like you have friends.
Yes.
Okay. You do your booking, your own booking.
Right.
So you
Okay. You do your own bookings. Then come until hotels. Then you meet up. Hey, oh, you staying here also.
Yeah.
So
We
but
make the party.
I'm very good and very polite. I say, never mind, all your stay I pay.
Really.
Really got like this
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes got Okay. Wait I finish this one first one by one Okay, so check in done.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.